This is a BizTalk document. It's used in enterprise server environments to map data. It is an XML-based file. You can view the structure in Visual Studio. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look at the schema. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single BTD file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A BTD file is associated with BizTalk and design, encompassing data related to business process integration and design specifications. These files may contain schemas, maps, orchestrations, and other artifacts used in BizTalk server projects. They facilitate the exchange of data between disparate systems and applications, ensuring seamless communication and workflow automation. The BTD file format typically adheres to XML standards for data representation, enabling interoperability and extensibility. Schemas define the structure and validation rules for the data, while maps transform data between different formats. Orchestrations define the sequence of activities and interactions within a business process. Proper design and validation are crucial for ensuring data integrity and system reliability. The primary software for BTD is recognized as BizTalk Server, developed by Microsoft. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows may detect the file type, but game engines or modding tools are required to interpret it. Open the menu by right-clicking your BTD file and choosing Open With. Test BizTalk Server first if it is visible. If not, select another application. Different tools have different strengths with specific formats. If you are still having trouble opening the BTD file, do not worry. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, launch BizTalk Server. Open the Microsoft BizTalk Server Administration Console or the BizTalk Editor Development Environment. Next, import pipeline design. Use the file. Open menu to load the BTD file into the workspace to view the orchestration or pipeline design. Finally, validate schema. Review the document structure within the editor to ensure the XML schemas and business logic are correctly defined. If your apps can't interpret the BTD file, it is likely a structural incompatibility caused by different programs using the same label. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you frequently encounter difficult files, FileMagick is a must-have. Its strong point is the instant preview of content, bypassing common corruption and extension errors in any BTD file. Download now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution. Keep your skills sharp, and thanks for learning with me.